Hi, my name is Alfredo Sanchez. I'm from Gal Roofing and Exteriors. And what I have to say about this company is since we purchased this equipment from them, they always been in continuous communication. They help us with the transportation, to set up the equipment. Whenever we have any questions or we need help with anything, they always there. They always help us to fix or do any repairs we need to do with the equipment. Right now the equipment is working the way it's supposed to. And what I can say about the equipment is it's excellent quality. You know, like from the beginning when they delivered the machines, we seen high quality on the materials, and also they send Mr. Han to help us with the setup. So he's been very helpful. He helped us to set up the machines. Now this machine is working the way it's supposed to with this other one. Whenever we turn it on, the other machine start working with this one. So what I can say is we are like very happy with the purchase, and if this helps this company in the future, you know, we want to do more purchase with this company because they are like one of the best we've been working with. So all I can say is they are like a great company, and thank you so much.